The Graco Sequence 65 Platinum Convertible Car Seat easily grows with your child, now featuring EZ Tight LATCH. The EZ Tight LATCH provides a secure and simple installation. 3-step installation. Simply release and attach latch, retract, and tighten. The Sequence 65 Platinum is 2 seats in 1. It is designed to help protect rear-facing infants from 4 to 40 pounds and forward-facing toddlers from 22 to 65 pounds. Keeping your child comfortable is simple with the 6-position recline. The Simply Safe Adjust harness system adjusts the height of your harness and headrest in one motion to help ensure that your little one is always properly secured. And the 10-position headrest adjusts easily for your growing child. The machine-washable rapid remove cover removes in 60 seconds without uninstalling the seat. The steel-reinforced frame provides strength and durability for up to 10 years of use. And the plush inserts will keep your child comfortable. Graco's commitment to car seat safety starts with safe seat engineering. The Graco Sequence 65 Platinum Convertible Car Seat has been engineered and rigorously crash-tested to meet or exceed U.S. safety standard FMVSS 213, side impact tested, and tested to extreme car interior temperatures. The Graco Sequence 65 Platinum Convertible Car Seat, now featuring EZ Tight LATCH.